see. Let's see if they. Ooh, yes, sir. All right, guys, bear with me here. Trying to get this just right. I got a flashlight in my face so y'all can see me. So, anyways, I went bike riding yesterday, guys, and I seen some fish. I went along the beach, seen some fish blowing up. So, you know, I know that it's either jacks or reds, and I'd seen somebody posting wanting to know if the reds had showed up on the beach yet, you know, the schools of big reds, and that's why I posted it. So, because it was either jacks or reds. It could have been both, could have been just jacks, could have been just reds. So I made the post, and of course, as always, you know, people just gotta comment on stuff before they even, you know, most of them probably didn't even watch the video or listen. And I got people talking about, you sure it wasn't jacks and not reds? I'm like, no, listen to the video, dude. I clearly state it could be jacks, it could be jacks and reds, it could be just jacks, it could be just reds. I just don't get it, man. This is why I kind of make long posts sometimes, like the one I made the other day, if any of you guys saw it on my Facebook page, Spots and Dots, my Spots and Dots Facebook page. But yeah, I do that because people just, they don't give you the time to actually read what you post or watch what you post, and they just make comments, and it's like, you know, just freaking, you know, do the time and read it or watch it and then ask questions. Don't not watch it and start asking questions, because half the questions you're asking are in the video itself or in the post itself. But anyways, no more of that. So I'm in the kayak this morning, guys. We're gonna ride up and down the beach and look for these big schools of fish. Hopefully we'll see some. It's very, very early. I rarely get up this early to go fishing. I know that you should, especially this time of the year. But anyways, we're up. We're gonna go, and actually I'm probably gonna try to catch some trout very first thing here, just because you know, I'm not gonna be able to see that well. I won't be able to see fish breaking on top of the water, you know, from a distance. So we'll try to get, maybe try to catch a couple of trout, but what I really want to do is get into these big the schools of big fish crashing on top of the water to see what they are. Like I said, they could, I know I had another guy say that, you know, that's jacks, not reds, and he might be right. You know, he said that's jacks. So it could be, it could have been just jacks, who knows. Today I'm gonna try to go find out, so y'all stay tuned. This is Dwayne Lulu with Spots and Dots, guys, and hopefully we'll see y'all out there when we're catching fish. So don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and yeah, we'll see y'all out there in the yak. All right, guys, so I started this morning off with some top water. I really wanted to give that a chance, and I did, and I didn't catch anything with top water on the first go around. I switched over to soft plastic and caught a few fish with that, and I switched back over to top water and caught some nice fish with it. Got some really nice good blow-ups on top water. Caught one, and the rest I actually missed, but I still got the footage of the blow-ups, and man, some of them were just spectacular. But anyways, the reel I'm using with my top water is it's a Daiwa Tatula 300, I think. The rod is H2O Express. It is a medium heavy rod, and that's what I use for my top water. The lure was H2O Express top water mullet. My other rod, and I was using a walk the dog retrieve with that top water. My other rod and reel was my favorite, my Shimano Corrado DC 151 HG, and it was paired up with I use a medium light action rod with that same brand, H2O Express, and I was using a straight retrieve with that, and the only lure I used with it was the Matrix Shad Matrix Mega Ultraviolet with a 1/4 ounce Matrix screw lock jig head. So That's what I was using. I was in, I don't know, 3 to 4 feet of water, maybe even 5 feet of water. That's how deep I was. Just a sand bottom and some structure. You see the structure out there. So that's what I was fishing. Tons of bait all over the place. So y'all give the video a watch. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Really need some comments, guys. And comments, really need them. Let me know what you thought about it. We'll keep it going. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. Oh, he blew up on it. He blew up on it. Ooh, he got a shrimp. He got a shrimp. So there's some shrimp somewhere out here jumping. Need to find them. I don't see any other birds working though. He must have got lucky. He must have got lucky. That's a good sized shrimp too he had. There we go. There we go. I let that fall a little bit first, guys, so I don't know what that's telling me just yet, but I did let it fall a little bit first, and I don't know what it is. It's not big. At least I say it's not. It's a catfish. Oh, a flounder. The old flounder. How about that? I wanted to keep one of these the other day, and I didn't. I didn't catch one actually, and I have no way of keeping them today. I don't have a ice chest or anything, so I'm not gonna keep them. But I certainly did want one the other day. Gonna bring to work. Had a hankering for one, but it's all good. The old flounder. So they gotta be 12 inches here in Mississippi. So this would definitely be a legal one. Well, as I said, I'm gonna let him go. Let's get his pretty side. On tater chip almost. It's probably 14 inches, 13 inches. Yeah, right around 14. There we go. Ladyfish. That was a ladyfish. I think that's a trout skis. I think that's a trout skis. Okay. Yes, sir. Definitely a trout skis. Come here. Now, perfect time for my rod to get wrapped up. Let's see what you looking like. Oh boy, swallowed it. Hungry feller. That's a nice looking trout. Ooh, it's another good one. This is better. This one's better. It's a trout. I know it's a trout. There's another one just hit right there. I know this is a trout. Don't go over there. Don't go over there. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Really nice trout right there, guys. Skadoosh. Look at that bad boy. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ain't even gonna matter. Let's see. See. Yes, sir. That was awesome. That was awesome. Took about 2.753 seconds. That's cool. That is cool. Now do I want to net it and get my freaking lure all tangled up inside that son of a gun? Or not? I don't. I don't want to. What is that, a white trout? No, that's a speckled trout. Let me see. I got this dude right here. I really don't want to put him in the net. Let me see if he'll let me grab him like this and not get all hooked. Oh yeah. Thank you, Mr. Fishy. Oh, then it went and got stuck on there anyways. God dog it. Another nice one. That's another keeper. That's two keepers I had this morning. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, right there. Right there. Is that a redfish? What was that? I couldn't even tell what that was. Might have been a trout. Yep, another nice trout. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Hee. Told you gotta move around for him. He ain't sitting still. Ooh, woo. That's a beauty. That's gorgeous. Look at that bait down there. It's got motifs. 19-inch fish right there, y'all. Right here on the front beach. For all you wade fisherers. Oh, I had a hit while it was falling. Oh, they're right along here. Oh, did y'all see that dude? That was a nice trout. That was a nice trout. That was crazy. Come up, rolled up on top of it right there. Right there. Come here, boy. Come here. Another nice one. Ooh. Settle down. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. I gotta resituate the situation. You know what I'm saying? Because they're close here right now. I need an anchor from the front, not the back. Oh gosh, look at that dude. Another 19-inch trout or so. Dang. Dang. Look at that. I'm not sticking my phalanges down there. Yes, sir. Ooh, gorgeous, baby. Oh, let's see. Yeah, he's a little over 19. Might be close to 20. I don't know. I can't really get a good measurement. I need to put a sticker on this side too. I have trouble measuring from this angle. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna resituate the situation, like I said. Of course, then again, who knows, man? Maybe it's just, you just got to keep moving. Maybe that's all there is to it. I'll put his top. Oh, oh, he completely missed that, dude. That was awesome, though. That was awesome. I wish he would have got it. That was another good trout. Another good trout. And that had nothing to do with me. He just completely missed that. Oh, you little turd. He wasn't as big as some of them others, but that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Messed me all up. Get that redid. See that? That was a spade. Not a spade, an angelfish. Or spadefish. They call them. Sure was too. Right there. Big old flat side. Well, I guess this bite has just died. I haven't caught anything. Been fishing for a little while. So, yeah, just a little bit longer. Not much. I'm going to go try to pick up some breakfast somewhere. And like I said, I'm going to just ride around. See if I see any fish. Big fish. Redfish and jacks crashing. I'm gonna go from there, but I'm gonna give this a little bit longer. Maybe I can sneak one more trout in, who knows. Well guys, I never did catch another trout, and I fished around for another 15-20 minutes just trying to find one more trout, but the bite had died off, so I went looking for fish, big redfish and jacks, drove all up and down the beach, stopped here and there and looked with my binoculars, and I never found them. So I just packed it up and went to the house, and that was that. So hey, Dwayne Lulu here with Spots and Dots, guys, and I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like, and till next time, we out.